Hello? Oh, you say you want to get a hold of Mickey Mouse? Well, I don't know. He's kind of ticklish.
Give me that! Roller coaster painters! We paint roller coasters! A job? Oh, you betcha! We'll be right over!
Oh.
You can count on us, Mr. Jollyland. Our motto is, we paint roller coasters!
Yeah, I'm the best!
And listen up, lads. Whoever paints the most of the coaster will win a lifetime pass to Jollyland!
Lifetime pass? Oh boy! Out of my way!
Got work to do.
We paint roller coasters. Yep, motto.
I'll show him.
He sure wants that lifetime pass. Well, I'll give him a run for his money. Hey, Donald! You missed a spot. Hey, watch it! Hey, you're getting paid on me! You missed!
That's the funniest thing I've ever seen! So, you want a big coffee?
Yep, handy.
Huh? Okay, Donald. Now don't do anything hasty. We've still got work to do. Wait! What about that lifetime pass? This place must be fully automatic. Nobody's here.
Ooh, who's nobody?
Well, you know, nobody.
I know just about everybody, but I don't know a nobody.
No, there's nobody here.
But we're here. Does that make us nobody?
No, we're somebody.
Oh, so somebody is here.
Yes.
Then where are they and why don't they help us?
We're the somebody. Him, you, me.
Well, then help me. See, your phone's dead.
No.
Yes, it is. Don't you remember?
I can't help you.
Then what are you doing here?
I'm trying to get some help.
Hate to break it to you, Mickey, but somebody told me that there's nobody here.
But you and I and... Oh, forget it. Maybe we go through here to get our phone fixed.
What's the big idea?
Looks like Donald's the Lion King.
Hello,
Hi, we have a problem. Our phone...
and welcome. Please press button 1 on the keypad now. Thank you. Now press 4. By pressing button 4, you have indicated that you'd like to press button 2. Press button 2 now. Congratulations on pushing button 2. Please push it again. Button 2 has been pushed twice. This cancels all previous button pushing. Goodbye.
Hey, you told me to push it twice.
That's not it. Let me do it.
Organ donors, we donate organs.
That's musical type organs, not innards.